all times it was a crime to worship Christ. So early saints made up a way, a secret sign, drawing half of a fish in the sand. They'd wait to see who would complete the other half. Draw a line on your side, say a prayer, hoping this, that the line on their side over there forms a vicious rope. You'll know they're believers in the Lord. Draw a line, make the sign of Christ. Throughout the years, it has appeared in many ways, drawn in the dirt or on your shirt. That fish just says, I believe in Jesus Christ. Do you? In days of old, for you to know, here's what you do.